Welcome to the top best. The best bowling ball sling is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious bowler looking to protect their valuable equipment during transport, ensuring it arrives at the alley in pristine condition and ready for peak performance, making it an indispensable part of any bowler's gear collection. Number 5. Athletico Essential Bowling Bag. Introducing the Athletico Essential Bowling Bag, designed for ultimate convenience and protection for your bowling ball. Carrying your gear is a breeze thanks to the adjustable, padded shoulder straps and comfortable Velcro closed-toed handles. Your bowling ball stays safe and secure within the center compartment, cushioned by a foam holder to prevent any damage. Its ideal size of 14 by 13 by 8 inches makes it perfectly compact for all your bowling essentials. This bag is lightweight and easy to transport, ensuring you can focus on your game. What we like. This bag offers excellent portability with its adjustable padded straps and lightweight design. It also features a foam holder to keep your ball safe. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss way to transport a single ball and some essentials, this is a great choice. What people say. It comfortably holds my bowling ball, shoes, and all my accessories with room to spare. The main compartment is well padded, ensuring that my ball stays secure during transport. Additionally, the side pockets are spacious enough to accommodate my gloves, towel, and other small items, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. The design includes a sturdy handle and a padded shoulder strap, allowing for comfortable carrying options. I was particularly impressed by how lightweight the bag is, even when fully loaded. The durable wheels and retractable handle on the rolling version make it a breeze to maneuver through the bowling alley. This fits both with plenty of room to spare. It will work great for what I need and for any weekend bowler such as myself. I feel the material is of good quality. Number 4. Bowling Seesaw Bag 2-Pack. Experience superior quality with our bowling bag. Its outer surface is smooth and waterproof microfiber, while the inner lining is a soft, absorbent material for ultimate comfort. This bag is more than just a carrier. It functions as a bowling ball bag, a cleaner bag, and even a convenient storage solution when not in use. Enjoy enhanced durability and ease of use thanks to its high elasticity. This feature makes cleaning your bowling balls a breeze. Our absorbent material quickly dries your bowling balls and effectively removes dust and dirt. Achieve a powerful clean with every use. Maintaining cleanliness is simple as it's both hand and machine washable. Its portable size makes it easy to carry and store when folded. What we like. This option is made with a premium microfiber material that's both smooth and waterproof. Its unique 3-in-1 functionality means it can be used as a carrier, a cleaner, and for storage. If you prioritize keeping your ball clean and polished on the go, this is the perfect companion for you. What people say. The bowling ball sling is designed to hold one bowling ball securely. It features adjustable straps for a comfortable fit and easy carrying. The durable material ensures longevity and protection for your bowling ball. Number 3. Goloni Bowling Ball Bag for Singer Ball. Keep all your bowling essentials organized and in one place. This bag features a spacious main compartment, shoe pockets, and accessory storage. Your bowling ball is kept safe and secure with a thickly padded holder and a reinforced base. It's designed to prevent damage during transport. Transport your gear effortlessly with the adjustable, padded shoulder strap. It's designed for maximum comfort, even when fully loaded. Constructed from durable 600D fabric with reinforced stitching and quality metal hardware, this bag is built to last. It can handle the weight of all your bowling equipment. Accessing your belongings is a breeze with smooth, high-quality zippers. Retrieving your items has never been easier. Choose Goloni for a premium bowling bag experience. It's carefully crafted for durability and style, perfect for any serious bowler. What we like. This bag is designed to hold everything you need, including shoes up to men's size 14 and accessories, all in one place. It boasts a thickly padded ball holder and is built to last with sturdy fabric and reinforced stitching. If you want to consolidate all your bowling gear into a single, robust bag, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The padded ball holder is a significant highlight of this bag. It offers a layer of protection from my bowling ball, reducing the risk of scratches or damage during transport. This bag is designed with functionality in mind. It comfortably fits my bowling ball and provides extra space for storing essentials like a towel, shoe slider, and other accessories. The lightweight construction of the bag is a bonus. Carrying a bowling ball can be cumbersome, but this bag's design and adjustable shoulder strap make it easy to transport. Number 2. BowlingBall.com Giant Polisher Cleaner. Introducing the Giant Bowling Ball Polisher Cleaner from BowlingBall.com. It's designed to keep your bowling ball in pristine condition. This polisher features an extra-large fabric construction, offering a soft and effective cleaning surface for your ball. It provides excellent protection, ensuring your bowling ball stays safe whether it's in your bag or stored in a locker. Keep your ball protected and clean with this essential accessory. It's perfect for maintaining your equipment between games. This polisher comes in assorted colors, with blue or gray chosen at random. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This is an extra-large fabric construction that provides a soft cleaning surface for your bowling ball. It offers great protection whether your ball is in a bag or a locker. If your main concern is providing a soft, protective layer and a cleaning surface for your ball, this accessory is a solid pick. What people say. Makes taking the ball out of my bag easier and also gives the ball a quick cleaning at the end. Bag is durable, well built, strong stitching, quality materials. Does what it's supposed to do. Works great to clean a bowl while the game is on. Number 1. CIIHARS Single Bowling Ball Backpack. Introducing the ultimate bowling ball backpack, designed for bowlers of all levels. It offers ample space for all your gear and accessories, keeping everything organized and protected. This backpack features multiple compartments, including a dedicated padded section for your bowling ball, a separate shoe compartment up to size 16, and additional pockets for towels, water bottles, and personal items. Your bowling ball is well protected with a removable foam padded insert and a stabilizing buckle, ensuring it stays safe from damage during transport. Stay connected on the go with a built-in USB charging port and a convenient headset interface, perfect for charging your devices or enjoying music while walking. Designed for comfort, it has adjustable padded shoulder straps, a stabilizing waist buckle, and a breathable mesh back panel for a comfortable carrying experience, even when fully loaded. The separate shoe compartment keeps your footwear, up to men's size 16, isolated from your other belongings, preventing odors from spreading and keeping everything neat. What we like. This backpack offers a convenient way to carry your bowling gear, complete with a dedicated shoe compartment up to men's size 16. A standout feature is the integrated USB charging port, perfect for keeping your devices powered up. If you're a tech-savvy bowler who values comfort and convenience, this backpack is designed for you. What people say. It fits my ball securely in a padded compartment, with zero shifting or pressure on the ball while carrying it. The separate shoe pocket is roomy enough to hold my size 12 bowling shoes, and there's still space for accessories like a towel, wrist support, and even a water bottle. The backpack design. It's way more comfortable than a traditional shoulder strap bag, especially when you're walking across a parking lot or through a crowded bowling alley. The straps are padded and sturdy, and the overall build quality feels solid and durable. Much better than I expected. I bought it for my brother and was a bit concerned about the space on top. His shoes fit perfectly even when the bowling ball is in the backpack. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.